Text effects are always fun to explore. In Photoshop, you can use gradient text, but did you know you can do the same in Canva too? My personal favorite tool is the Type Gradient app. Just go to the Apps section, search for Type Gradient, and you'll see the logo. Once you open it, you can apply gradient styles directly to your text. Choose the text type, select linear, and add your word. Let's try Indonesia to match the photo. Canva gives you plenty of gradient templates to start with. I'll pick one that slightly matches the design. From here, we can fine-tune the colors. In the gradient color section, you can even add more stops. I like to sample colors directly from the photo, first a lighter tone, then a slightly darker shade, and finally the darkest version. This way, the gradient flows naturally with the background. You can also adjust the gradient strength and update the element for a polished look. Wow, it looks amazing already! Next, let's test fonts. I think Barbaro matches this design perfectly. But we can take it a step further. Let's open another app called Typecraft. Search for it in the Apps section and enter your text. Here, you can explore effects like wrap, curve, and even rotating 3D text. Look at this. Just by selecting a rotating style, we get a stunning 3D effect. There are also perspective options, so you can play around and choose the one that fits your project. Personally, I love this custom effect because it feels dynamic and modern. And the best part? In the custom effect option, you can literally move and change your text into any position you want. That means you're not just limited to presets. You can create unique, free-flowing text designs that match your creative vision. And if you want, you can even add an outline effect for extra boldness. But I'll stick with the previous style. It already looks fantastic. Now, look at the final result. Wow, Canva's hidden text effects are literally beyond imagination. And if you want to learn even more hidden Canva features, make sure to subscribe to the channel.